boy Scrooge back with another one today. I just wanted to show you guys this setup and kind of give you a quick synopsis on the 20 MA and the 200 MA moving. So here we are with the white line representing my 20 moving average, and then I have the red line representing my 200 moving average. Right here, what I want you guys to see is watch the stock price action, right? So you see prices is pushing away, pushing away, pushing away from the moving average. As soon as it gets away from the moving average, it tends to pull all the way back into this zone in between the 200 and the 20. So that is really, to me, a bullish sign, even though it ended up breaking down again. And as it broke down, as you can see, it pulled all the way away from the 20. It got that space again away from the 20. And after that, it found itself bullish until it landed on the 20, right? And this is usually where um, I take a play or start looking to take a play in certain positions. So right in this area, you have all of this information right here as far as the moving averages and the price action. So you can tell the way that the price is reacting to the moving average zone. It's saying, okay, this is enough selling. This area right here, that's enough. Selling is over. Time to go back to the upside. Now, once it gets here, that run is so strong, and that's a zone you will later come to defeat over here. So draw that line, you can see it hit that zone, and then it went back to the moving average, right? Stock will always push through and fall on a moving average. It's never just going to push through and keep going and just land somewhere up here and keep going. It'll never do that. So if this is your 200 moving or even your 20 moving, anytime it breaks through, it'll always go up and then validate itself off of there, and it could probably fall again, but it starts bouncing off of that zone. But typically that's what you'll have. Now right here we're set up in trading view. This is a replay in trading view, just doing a little back testing and also just trying to show you guys how the concept of the 20 moving average works, and you can use it on pretty much anything, any pair, whether there's forex or if you're in the regular stocks. um, it's pretty much the same virtually anywhere. So again, we got our 20 MA halt here, and typically a bullish candle like this one out of that zone would be my entry. So I would have probably entered somewhere about right there when it broke through the 200. That would have probably been my entry. It might have been a little early on the candle, but that would be my entry. Um, Here, when the stock didn't actually go through, I would wait on this pullback into the 20 and the 200 zone. And right here, when green eliminates red, that's pretty much where I'm taking another position. So if we take a closer look at that, we see that green is eliminating red right here at this candle right here. And we know that that's how we enter positions. When you have bullish momentum taking out um, the selling momentum or the bearish momentum at or near the moving average, then you know that's going to be a bullish sign. So I'm going to go ahead right here and say, let's say we're going to take a position here. All right, I'm going to take a buy position here, and we are going to let that play out and kind of see where things go from there. Also, before we do that, we also want to set our stop loss. So we're going to go to stop loss. It's putting our stop loss under the moving averages. So sometimes I'll go under the actual candle itself, as tight under the candle as possible. So even say 1 penny or so under the candle. Um, as close as you could get it, really. I'm gonna just do that right there. So assuming I have a 650 risk, and I'm gonna go for TP. Oops, I'm not sure what happened there. All right, so got that set up. So I got my TP set up here at about 3,100. I got my stop loss in right under the candle. I can actually get it tighter to about 650. Let's get it there. Yeah. So if I lose that candle, I'll lose $650. And if I could get this run going, I'll get 3,000 or so, probably even more. But the point is we're playing off of this tight zone right here. We're playing off of the fact that everything is in this tight little zone right here, and we wanted to push out of it. And we're using the 200 as the floor and the 20 as the catapult. We're going this way, all right? Okay, so we got a little push, pull back, little ooh, ooh. So basically, it hit my TP off the first one, so I'm gonna buy back in, and I'm going to set a stop loss underneath here at the 200, just because I've already made good money. And I didn't expect it to just shoot up like that because I haven't done these replays in a long time. But okay, so we're up 9,000. And what I'm doing right now is I'm just watching the 20 and the stock price. Okay. And okay, we're coming kind of back into the stock price. We're away from the 20. So right now, I want to take profits. Um, yeah, I'm going to cut some profits right there. And I'm waiting for that pull back in so I can buy back again. So somewhere in this zone, when it gets closer to the 20, I'm going to try to buy back in for another run. Let's see if I could get that. Again, I haven't done these replays in a very long time. I have never even looked at Robinhood since February 14th, 2024. So that's probably like the last time I traded it. See, right here is a good zone for me. I think I'm going to wait still, but I want to take a position in this area right here, close to that 20. Um, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and grab a position right here. I'm going to put my stop loss under the 20 here. And this is just a quick scalp because I already made my money. So I'm going to put my TP above the highs right there. I'm just looking to make 6,000 or so. Ooh, close to it just now, but it ain't hit it. Oof. Okay, red eliminating green means that we're going to flatten that position because that's red eliminating green. I'm going to take a sell position to the downside because that's over for me. Once red eliminates green away from the 20 up here, oh, nice. And see that breakthrough. That's what we want. And to the downside we go, guys. You see what I'm saying? And that push through, usually we have some pullback there. So I'm going to flatten that right there and take my position. And wow, there we go. Just like that, you can knock out a good, well, I got, my best trade was 11,000 and win rate is ridiculous, but that's just one day. Consistency put you in a humble place if you don't understand that you need to do that every single day. So, all right. So, and profit in total was 22,700. Again, this was a little exacerbated based on, having a little bit of cash flow and stuff like that. So, if you had a little cash and you were trading, it's pretty much that simple. I can make you some money. You know what I mean? You can make you some money. So tap in with me. You know what it is. It's the boy Scrooge, always on the charts. Anything you need to know, jump in the comment box, like, subscribe, get into the community, and holla at me, man. Let's get some money.
Bah, humbug.